Clavicle. The clavicle is a long bone. It supports the shoulder so that the arm can swing clearly away from the trunk. The clavicle transmits the weights of the limb to the sternum. The bone has a cylindrical part called the shaft and two ends, the lateral end and the medial end. General features. The shaft is divisible in the lateral 1/3 and medial 2/3. This is medial 2/3 of clavicle and this is lateral 1/3 of clavicle. The lateral 1/3 of the shaft is flattened from above downwards. Flattened from above downwards. The part of the bone has two surfaces. Superior surface and inferior surface. Superior surface is subcutaneous and the inferior surface is called the conoid tubercle and the ridge called the trapezoid ridge. This is conoid tubercle and trapezoid ridge. The medial 2/3 of shaft is rounded and it's said to have four surfaces. The medial 2/3 of clavicle have rounded one. It have four surfaces. The anterior surface is convex forwards. Convex forwards. The posterior surface is smooth. The superior surface is rough. In the medial part. The inferior surface have a rough oval impression at the medial end. The oval impression in medial end. Lateral half of the surface has a longitudinal subclavian groove. This is lateral surface. Lateral half of the surface has a longitudinal subclavian groove. The nutrient foramen lies at the lateral end of the groove. This is foramen. In lateral end of the groove. Let's see the lateral and medial. The lateral are acromion end, flattened from above downwards. It bears a facet that articulates with the acromion process of the scapula to form the acromioclavicular joint. This is facet. This joint to form acromioclavicular joint in acromion process of the scapula. The medial or sternal end is quadrangular and articulates with the clavicular notch of the manubrium sterni. To form the sternoclavicular joint, the articular surface extends the inferior aspect for articulation with the first costal cartilage. This is sternal end and acromion. It articulates in scapula form acromioclavicular joint in the medial part of the clavicle to form the sternal end and form the sternoclavicular joint in manubrium sterni. The lateral end is flat and the medial end is large and quadrilateral. The shaft is slightly curved, so that is convex forwards in medial 2/3 and concave forwards in lateral 1/3. The inferior surfaces this is inferior surface. Inferior surface is grooved longitudinally in its medial 1/3. In this side determination indicates this bone belongs to right side. Peculiarities of clavicle. It is only long bone that lies horizontally in our body. It is subcutaneous throughout. That means it's just below the skin. We felt easily in the clavicle. It is first bone to start ossifying. It is only long bone which ossifies in membrane. It is only long bone which has two primary centers of ossification. It is generally said to have a no medullary cavity, but this is not always true. It is occasionally pierced by the middle supraclavicular nerve. It receives the weight of the upper limb via lateral 1/3 through coracoclavicular ligament and transmit the weight of upper limb to the axial skeleton via medial 1/2 of part. It wears, that means it receives weight of upper limb in two ways, the lateral 1/3 and the medial 2/3. The lateral 1/3 is coracoclavicular ligament, and the medial two-third is axial skeleton. It is the peculiarities of clavicle.